Morning, Bailey. Hi. Your hair is sticking up like a grandpa. Look at it. It's sticking up like a grandpa here. Oh no. You got grandpa here, eh? Look at your hair. You got grandpa here. You do. We need to wash it and have a shower, eh? Yeah. You gonna smile for the camera? Where's your smile? Oh, there it is. Where's your smile? You got a smile for Mummy? Good girl. Oh, do I get you up this morning? Get ready? Yeah? Got another smile for me? Come on. Where's your smile? Are you looking at the camera? Oh, it's interesting. Look. Ooh. It's a camera. Boop. Boop. No more smiles. Say bye-bye.